Hello. The purpose of this video is just to quickly run through some updates that were recently released related to the COVID mortgage forbearance plans that are being offered for FHFA and FHA loans. So if you have a Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, or an FHA loan, this information applies to you. So there are other videos here about kind of what the COVID mortgage forbearance plans are. This is more just informational about some of the updates that were released. So as you all know, if you are somebody who is kind of out of work or working reduced hours and you're unable to pay your mortgage, and this is caused by COVID-19, you do have the ability to ask your lender for one of these mortgage forbearance plans if you have one of the investors listed. Originally, they had said homeowners had until the end of October to request these plans. That just got extended. They haven't given an exact date as to when that extension ends, but if you need to request a mortgage forbearance and it's after October of this year, you still can request it now. The way the general rules are working is you can request a 6-month forbearance, that's the maximum you can request, and then if you reach the end of your 6-month period and you need an extension, these investors now are able to, extend that for up to another 6 months. So effectively what that means is if you are somebody who has not taken advantage of a mortgage forbearance and you need one, you could potentially be in a mortgage forbearance plan for up to a year if you take the 6-month forbearance plan and you take another 6-month extension. They've also announced that they're going to be doing something that they're calling the waterfall method. It's another option that they're offering when people are trying to transition out of a COVID mortgage forbearance. As more information is released about that, I will be reviewing that and posting everything I can here. If you're a homeowner requesting one of these COVID mortgage forbearance plans, please make sure you watch the other videos posted in this section so that you understand what you're signing up for. And like I always say in all of the videos about these, make sure you understand what your obligation is going to be at the end of your forbearance plan. You wouldn't want to get in a situation where you get on a plan where at the end the full amount becomes due and then you're a little bit stuck if you're able to pay now. So ask all the right questions to your bank. Make sure you ask them what will happen or what will be expected of you at the end of the plan. If it sounds like something that's going to work for you, please know that you can request these plans now. Following the end of this month of October, you can request them into November. You can get up to 6 months, and then if you reach the end of that 6-month period, they are able to give you another 6-month extension if that's what you need, making for almost a full year of forbearance.